Thank you. So everything is good.
Thank you. So everything is good.
Yeah, so on the word good, obviously good and gut are quite close. So having a play around with that of everything is good. You could go good or you could go gut, like to be a bit more German. But obviously it's a German speaking English, so it depends how you as a German speaks English and how good you are at it. So your two options would be, yes, we loved it. Thank you. So everything is good. Or you could go, yes, we loved it. Thank you. So everything is good. So you've got the good and the good. It's very slight, but one's more German than the other. So depending on how good you are at speaking German English, that would depend on there.
She's trying to be good at speaking English, I think. So
Right. So
we
you
go
can
with
go for thank you. So everything is good. Good.
yes. Thank you. So everything is good.
Yeah, that's great. It does.
It does.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it's a question.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, so when do you think we will have the keys?
So when do you think we will have the keys?
Okay, so remember in here we've got a W for will go to then, think will go to think, and the will go to the.
The
Okay, so it's wenn, think, the.
yeah.
Okay. So when do you think we will have the keys?
So when do you think we will have the keys?
Perfect. Yes.